And oh, hey y'all, can you tell where I am? I'm at the Super H-Mart grand opening in Schaumburg, and it's big, and it's what's the grand opening is today. And I got some lunch. Sorry, there's lots of people passing by. Oh well. Griddle, get that first. Anyway, this baby is crowded, and I got a couple bars. I love H-Mart, and this one's bigger than the one I think it's in the aisles that I usually go to. So, half price. Lunch, spicy boneless chicken. And I got some kimchi and some seaweed salad and green onion kimchi. The kimchis were half price. Oh, there's stuff in here. I forgot. Okay, hold on. Okay, we made it to the car without getting run over. So this store has a food mall that's bigger than any I've been in. Oh, it is fried. I was thinking it may be grilled or baked. It smells good. I've discovered in the Chicago area, if I want good chicken, I need to get Korean. And so that's what I did. Anyway, well, you can't see it now, but huge food mart. Not as many smaller stores, but they have trouble keeping the smaller stores. Hold on. Hi! So you probably know by now, I've been on a diet. I've lost a lot of weight. Let's see. 25, a lot. Wow, 65 pounds, I think. Wow. No wonder my glasses don't fit right. Anyway, so I started the car, but I didn't. This is the first fried chicken I've had in forever. Let's try it. Maybe the spice will kick in later, because it certainly isn't now. It tastes like any grocery deli. Thought about getting sushi or the bibimbap bowls or the, I don't know, whatever else they had. Korean sausage. But I was afraid that might tear my stomach up. So I got the spicy chicken that is not spicy at all. But still, I love H-Mart. And this one's bigger than my usual one. They're about the same distance-ish. Anyway, that's our story, and we're sticking to it. Now I gotta go find an Aldi's, and we'll talk to you later. Bye!